Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I'm in the house with the Reve knives, small Sebenza 31 in a box elder burl inlay. Really cool. And we're gonna try to maintain this little fella right over here. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content right over here. So let's get started. So usually, in this case, this is a Sebenza, so very simple to take down, but we don't really need to take it apart all the way. Just like unscrew the end right over here with a Allen key 2, size 2, and then just this guy over here, just a little. And then we have to remove the pivot over here. So this is one. And then if it doesn't fall out, you can just use some plastic tool like this guy, just to push it outside of the handle, and then just very gently pull the blade out. It's gonna come out with the washers, and just make sure when you do it, you just keep the lock bar pressed. So there's no really need to take this guy apart. You can actually do something like that, okay, to clear the area on the inside. Then you need the grease that it's provided with any Reve knives that you're gonna buy. And first of all, we are going to use a little bit of alcohol on a piece of cloth, something like that, to remove the grease from before. You can just take these guys out and just have them clean, like so. Nicely done. And then just remove everything from the tang of the blade. You have a bushing pivot over here and two sizes for the washers. The small one goes lock side and the big one goes show side, and they are like absolutely perfectly matching the height, the extra height of the pivot, the bushing pivot. So sometimes, yeah, you have just to shake a little bit because there's some watery liquid coming out, but if you do shake a little bit, you're gonna see, maybe we need to shake a little bit more, just like so. You're gonna see that there is some white grease actually. Oops, that's too much, and we have to aspire this guy back. So just make sure that you do like that, and then you squeeze, and then you have it. Yeah, we can actually use it on this side over here and have it go back, and I think that's pretty all right. And then we can just use the tip of this little tube just to spread the grease around, around the bushing pivot, like so, just a tiny bit, don't do like me. And you can actually take this guy, show side, push the washer around so that the pockets are nicely greased up. You can even use your finger and use it on the other side, like so. And in that way, you should have like sandwiched in a way so it sticks together. So just keep it like flush like that, and then just align this guy like this. So there's no room for error in this procedure, because it's like tolerances are so tight that you shouldn't be able to mess anything up. But if you do, you still can send the knife back to Chris Reve, and they're gonna be assembling for you for free. So in this case, you just push the pivot back in. You take the screw like so, and you just tighten, not all the way, but just a little bit, okay? Because now you have to just do this trick. So you push this side up and this side down. So lock side goes up from the bottom and show side goes down from the top. So basically you hold it like this. This thumb is pushing upwards and the index is pushing downwards on two different scales, and then you start tightening. So this can be something like that, and you can start tightening from the bottom like so, and then this guy, and then this guy, and you're done. And then you can release, and then you're gonna have a blade perfectly centered, and you're gonna have a buttery smooth knife ready to be used. Classic Sebenza, glassy smooth, right over here. You just can use like the microfiber cloth provided to remove some grease, and there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.